And this is the second in my quiche, easy quiche series. And this is today a sausage and mushroom quiche. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. Okay, we're back again. We're going to make another quiche. I have sausage. I'm not putting all of this in. I'm only going to put a cup of meat in, if that, because I have mushrooms as my vegetable. So, and a cup of cheese, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. So let me get the eggs beat up in the milk. Not too bad for holding the camera and breaking the egg. Okay. Let's get that dash of pepper. And just a pinch of salt. Won't need too much salt because, well, there's salt in the sausage. All right, so I went ahead and I poured my egg mixture in here. I'm adding my mushrooms. This is too big a piece. I'm gonna slice this up. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. I actually only used about half a can of the mushrooms. And now I'm gonna take about a cup, get them off of here, of this sausage, kind of add it around here, and don't really want much of the grease. All right, I think I have that pretty well through there evenly. Let's see, maybe a couple more pieces over on this side. There. All right, and now I'm just going to, on top, evenly around, and try to get it all the way out to the edges, sprinkle on this cheese. Kind of make sure I get my Gouda. I love Gouda. Gouda is my favorite cheese. All right, let's get the rest of this on here. And we're going to go ahead and put it in a 375 oven for 40 minutes. So I can't do that with one hand. Hang on. Okay, going in the oven, 375 for 40 minutes. The rest of that sausage is going in breakfast burritos. All right, 375 for 40 minutes. Let's wait for the oven. And here is the sausage and mushroom quiche after it comes out of the oven. It's a beautiful thing. For my quiche Lorraine recipe, please check out this video. I am attaching up here. By definition, quiche Lorraine is broccoli, meat, and cheese in a quiche. But you can make quiche any way you want. Use your leftovers up. It is a wonderful thing, and they freeze beautifully to take out so that on the holidays you have a pre-made breakfast ready to amaze your friends. And they make great dishes to pass too. Quiche is a wonderful forgiving recipe. It lets you use up all the odds and ends from the garden and any extra eggs you might have. It can be made up ahead of time and frozen. It is just a fabulous thing to have in your repertoire. I like to make up baggies and then put leftover meat and cheese in it as I go. And it's a great way to use up my leftovers. Like, subscribe, and as always, ring that notification bell. Have a great day, Rebel Canners.